Hi, this is Brian Kazula with US Tax Advisors Group, and today I'm going to be going over the depreciation schedule. So if you're looking to do a cost segregation study on a property that you placed in a service in a prior tax year, let's say 2020, 2019, 2018, well, you've already filed your taxes on that property. The property's already been placed into service. So what we need is your federal depreciation schedule or your fixed asset schedule. Sometimes the document's called different things in your tax returns, so it can be a little bit confusing. But here's an example of the depreciation schedule on a property. And what we're looking for specifically on this is the tax year. What tax year are we looking at? What is the property address? And you see on this property, it's a commercial property, 123 Roberts Drive. We can scroll down and we can see that the property was acquired or placed into service on 1/1/21. So this is the date that the property was available and ready for its intended use or placed into service. So what this does is it breaks out the building basis. So the building basis on this property is $242,250. We can scroll across to see that it has a 39-year life. It's a commercial building, and it has a current depreciation of $5,962. We can also see that the property was improved. There was improvements on the property in September 30th of 2021 for $47,743. It looks like the improvements are placed into a 15-year tax life or depreciation schedule. So they're most likely land improvements, and we can see what the current depreciation is. We can also see that the CPA or tax advisor assigned a land allocation of the property. So we can see that the land allocation on this property is $42,750. And as you know, land is a non-depreciable asset, so there's no accumulated depreciation on this. So based on the depreciation schedule, we can see, or we can come up with a purchase price, which would simply be the $242,250 plus the $42,750. So again, this is just an example of what a federal depreciation schedule looks like. It might also be called a fixed asset schedule, but if you have a property that you placed in a service in a prior tax year, we will need this document to work up the estimate and to ultimately complete the cost segregation study for you. Thanks, and I hope you have a great day.